Hello beautiful people, and welcome to my destination Get Ready With Me. Starting off with the Smashbox Primer Water, this is perfect for priming your face before any foundation application. As you can see, I'm very generous. Next, I'm using the Bobbi Brown foundation. I'm in the shade Cool Almond. Believe it or not, my sponge is from Mr. Price. I always take extra time to make sure my foundation is completely blended in. I'm using the Shape Tape foundation in the shade Tan Deep Golden. It's the perfect undertone for me. I let my concealer sit for a bit to maximize coverage. Looks like we have a special guest. Hi Baba. And now we blend. Taking some of the concealer onto my eyelids to use as eyeshadow primer. I love using this powder to bake. It's from the brand W7 and this sponge is from Cotton On. The color looks a bit scary in the pot, but it works really well with deeper skin tones. Next onto the eyeshadow, we're using the Revolution palette, starting off with Karma in the crease. Sounds fitting. Using Fortuity to deepen the crease. Blend, blend, blend. And just when you think you're finished, blend some more. I'm adding affluent to the crease just to warm it up a bit more. Using Gleam and Luxe for the lid shades, but spoiler alert, further on we're going to be using another shade because I don't like how this turned out. again to the crease for more warmth and more depth. Plush to the lid. I'm using Splendid for the lower lash line. Next I'm using a blending brush to make everything seamless, and then it's time for lashes. I use Cava The Lashes in the style Baby. It's bronzing time. I use Hoola Toasted and Lancome Teint Idole powder foundation in number 10. I love bronzer. Just using the powder foundation, I pinch my bronzing brush and use it to bronze my nose. I don't contour, but I do want to bring back some color because I washed out my nose with concealer earlier. Now it's safe to take the bake off. Making sure my bronzer blends seamlessly. Now for what some might say is the most important part of this routine, highlighter. I'm using Makeup Revolution. To highlight the high points of my face, which is my eyebrows, cheekbones, nose, and Cupid's bow. I don't touch my forehead and I don't touch my chin. Next is blush. This palette is from Decadent. Please leave some suggestions down below of blushes that you use. And yes, I am putting blush on my nose. Back to the primer water to settle all the powders on my face. Again, there's absolutely nothing wrong with being extra generous. the Smashbox setting spray to keep everything in place for the rest of the day. My brows for this look are very simple. I'm just brushing through the brow mascara to set my brows for the rest of the day. I only like to put mascara on my bottom lashes. This is a plumping lip gloss from Essence. I'll find the full name and leave it down below. Right, and that's the final look. Please like and comment down below if you enjoyed this video and share it to everyone that you know. Also, please don't forget to subscribe and let me know if there are any makeup looks that you would like me to try out, because I love using color.